The acoustical characteristics of rooms are difficult to conceptualize from charts or graphs, and that's why at avroomservice.com we've got a lot of sound clips for you to check out. Reverberation times is one of the more recognizable attributes of rooms for people to relate to. Each room is unique as far as its furnishings and construction, having effect on different frequencies being reflected or absorbed or diffused. So every room is as unique as an individual's voice. And to give you an example of that, I thought I'd put together a video montage just using a cheap, poor fidelity pocket cam and place it about 8 feet distance, which is common for most people's listening position from their speakers, in different rooms in my home, just to give you an idea of how much influence room reverberation time has on playback fidelity. And it's obviously something we don't want, because it affects reverberation times will affect tonality, dynamic range, it'll mask low-level detail, it has effect on spatial imaging and speech intelligibility. We want to be as close as we can to the artist's intent. We want to hear that space, and that space along with our space. So I'll give you a quick back-to-back of different rooms, and you can hear how that influences, how the unique sound of each room influences the sound of my voice. So this is the sound of my voice in the AV Room Service Acoustics Lab. And so this is a controlled environment, and you should hear very little of the room, especially with the poor fidelity of the video cam. This is the sound of my voice in the basement. This is the sound of my voice in the living room. This is the sound of my voice in the kitchen. This is the sound of my voice in the bathroom. This is the sound of my voice in the family room. This is the sound of my voice in the dining room. This is the sound of my voice in my closet. This is the sound of my voice in my office. And again, this is the neutral sound of the acoustics lab.